Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have another DIY I did from a curly long wig to a short bob wig, and this is how the wig looks before I could cut it. It was long, 20 inches, and curly. It was nice, beautiful, but I just don't like curl wigs. I don't know why. Curly wigs, they're not my thing. So here I've already flat ironed it, washed it, cut it, and this is the final results, and I think it looks pretty well for a DIY. Let me not praise myself. Let's get into it. I already sewed in 2 rows of weft. So what I'm doing here is I'm just going around near where the lace starts. This is just to make the wig smooth and swift when I'll be ventilating in my lace on when I'll be ventilating my wig on my lace, so that you won't know where I started and where my weft end, like where my sewed in ends. You must do this, not you must do this. I think this is just a must. Okay, it's just a must, you have to do it. So I'll reach at the end, and then I'm just going to cut it off, and be careful while cutting off so you do not have to cut the weft and mess up with the wig. And my wig, it's a 1 weft strand. This is so difficult because it's shading like crazy. It's shading. When I say it's shading like crazy, it is shading. This is how the wig looks after sewed in, and this is what I'm talking about, 1 weft strand. I think whoever was sewing in this wig didn't want to, so I've already sewed in 3/4 of my wig cap, and I'm just going in with the cross method. I sewed in a round motion when I was sewing it in, so right here I'm just going cross from where the weft starts to the end of the weft. I don't know if I'm making sense. And when I reach at the end, I'm going to fold the wig. It's called a flip method, and you have to be very careful while flipping it. You don't have to make a bump. Nobody has to know where your wig was folded. So by doing that, you have to sew in that part 2 to 3 times and make it as flat as possible. This is how we are folding in when we reach at the end, and then you're just going to sew it 2 to 3 times at the same point. There, you see, it's flat, and then just flip it over and then sew it in. I'm using bobby pins to pin it and to make it easy, because this is a synthetic wig. I don't know how many times I'll repeat it, but synthetic wigs, I don't know if all synthetic wigs are like this, but this is kinda a help. Let me just say a help, because it tangles so easily, very quickly. Not even easily, it just tangles so easily. You can see it's already looking like a bush. I'm going to flip again, sew in that place 2 to 3 times, and then sew in. I'll continue with this method till I reach at the end of my wig. So here I've almost finished, and I'm just going to cut the wig again. Here, be careful. I have to be very careful with my wig. It's like a baby. I already taught you guys on my other video how to ventilate using a needle, so here I'm just going to repeat once more and go fast forward. I'm just cutting off the weft because I don't have single strands here, I don't know, and just pulling off the end to make it natural. Then I'm just going to pick 2 to 3 air strands, then insert into my needle, hook to 2 holes of my lace, and then make a loop and fold it. I'm using 1 let me repeat. I'm just going to put two holes, like to sew in 2 holes, and then make a loop. Now this is the problem with needles, and make a loop, then I just sew it in. Now ventilate it. I'm remaining here with just a little less to ventilate, and I'm already tired. It took me 1 hour to finish this small part. Now I know why full lace wigs are very expensive, because it's very tiresome. Very, very, very tiresome. I'm almost about to finish my wig. And I've already finished it, guys, and you can see the wig is screaming. It's looking like hell. I've never been to hell. I can't comb it with this small comb because the wig detangles. No, it tangles. That's just how the wig looks. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and share with your friend. This is how curly it was. The curls were so nice and pretty, but I just had to let them go because curls ain't my thing. Thank you, guys. Till we meet again on another DIY. Goodbye.